Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. I'm Jacob Glassmeyer. If we haven't met before, or maybe you're sharing this video, today, this moment, this experience, you and I, Qigong. Qigong is an ancient practice. There's 3,500 styles. Which style is for you? I don't know. But what we're going to do now is explore the first movement in 8 brocades or 8 silken brocades Qigong or Badua Jin. In my exploration, my research of Qigong, it has taken me to multiple different ways to do Badua Jin. So this first movement, hands hold up to heavens, hands hold up the sky. Buddha supports the sky like a pillar. The pillars support the heavens. Lots of names, lots of movements. Come on into the studio, let's do a few of these. In this movement of 8 silken brocade Qigong, hands support the sky. We'll go with that one. Our feet can be heels under hips. Our feet can be slightly wider than shoulders. Our feet can be wider than just outside the shoulders. Which of these stances fits you? For me, somewhere around shoulder width fits me. The hand movements, let's do the choreography first. My Chivo taught me these 2. We bring the palms up towards the heart. Now join me, here we go. Hands face you. Hands, or palms should I say, face camera. Palms face the sky. Now when we get to the top, stay here, right here. Now, talk to your thumbs and fingers and tell them to pull down. Feel that opening in the hands and the forearms. Now release it, bring it right back down. We're reversing the movement. Palms turn to face you. Hands sink all the way down. That's movement number 1. Try that again. Movement number 2. We're going to open up the hands away. All right, let me get a little more on camera here. Arms, I lead with my pinky fingers. Why? It's just what my body feels. We reach up, try to reach as much to the side as you can. Reach up and over, back to what that hard press, fingers drawn back in, and we sink back down. Now the whole time, the body is rising and sinking. That's number 2. Number 3 is that we are going to interlock the fingers. Breathe in, come up to the top, palms face the camera, right? Palms press up. Now we feel even more in the hands, right? Now release the hands at the top, open up like we're pushing against the wall. Fingers draw back to you, right there, right there. Now release the hands, floating down, elbows sink in. We sink down. Pause. In the practice of Qigong, this particular style, just like in Tai Chi, the breath and the movement and the mind join together. We focus on what we turn our mind on the inside and feel experience internally. Now, on to the next movements. The next movements are interlocking the fingers. Here we go again. Interlock the fingers. Now this time we're going to lean into it. Literally, we press up. There's a hard press. Now we sink the knees or the hips down a little. We lean the hips to one side. Try to keep the arms as straight as you can. And then we breathe into top. Exhale, other side. Bring the shoulder blades together behind you. Lean to the other side. Come back to center. 1 and 1. That's it. Bring the hands down. Now each of these movements, somewhere between 8 and 20 times. You ready for the next one? We're going to put a twist into this one. Literally. Fingers interlock again. We breathe in as we draw up. Now here, we're going to let the waist turn, shoulders, chin, and then eyes. Exhale. Come back to center. Inhale. Other side. Back to center. The arms sink down. Hands separate. The next movement, yes. So as you go through this video, try each one. See which one speaks to your body in that moment. Maybe that's the one, maybe one of these others. The next one, here we go. Remember when we went out? Now we're gonna go in and draw up, same, palms to the sky, and just open the whole movement, just like that right there, sinking down. Maybe we change the width of our legs and we bring in a deeper leg movement, horse stance, more of a horse stance, right? We rise up, inhale, exhale, sinking down. That's it, beautiful. And come back to stillness. That is our first movement in 8 silken brocade Qigong. Qigong was created as medicine and movement thousands of years before Tai Chi Chuan, the fighting style, right? The fighting art, the martial art of Tai Chi Chuan. Qigong, created as medicine and movement because it helps, one, opens up our lymph system, or should I say encourages more pump to the lymph system, which encourages our body to become healthier. We breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, so we can create a greater nitric oxide production in our sinus cavities. Also, we open up the soft tissue, so this increases the circulation of everything in the body. We focus on with this breath, right? So it brings a more heightened state, if you will, to our parasympathetic nervous system. Say that one 5 times real fast. So as the body is at rest, our body can heal. And the list just goes on. I encourage you to follow here. Press, click, subscribe, wherever it is, and then send it forward. I look forward to seeing you next time, as the next movement is draw the bow and shoot the arrow, also known as draw the bow and shoot the hawk. I like hawks, so I'm just going to draw the bow and shoot the arrow. Until next time, my friends, I'm Jacob Glassmeyer, helping you find your Tai Chi, the grand ultimate version of you.